The Cup Final Series is in Game 4, Don.
And a cracker of a Game 4 it's going to be, Jim.
I don't doubt it for a second. And the two worthy and skilled teams showing their stuff will be the Detroit Red Wings and the Boston Bruins. Icing is called against Detroit. Wilm won the faceoff. Smolinski stops the shot. Chelios takes control of the puck. Smolinski, Defoe, shut the door! Zaminer. Kovalenko shoots the puck. Joseph slams the door shut. Lemieux gets the puck. Yager grabs it. Shanahan stoned cold by Defoe.
Again, it's all about positioning. He was well set up to stop that shot.
Chelios scoops up the loose puck. Yager grabbed it. Lemieux shoots it. LaPointe. Okay, we're in for a little tete-a-tete.
Let me guess, Jim. That's French for a bunch of fighting.
Well, it's pretty clear who won that one.
Yep, Jim, for one guy it's success, for the other guy it just hurts.
Shatan jumps on the loose puck.
A 5-minute major for fighting. Detroit penalty to number 14, Brendan Shanahan.
Detroit wins the race and beats out the icing call. Schaefer. Wilm with the puck. Kovalenko has it. Shoots! Blocked. Nieuwendyk takes control of the puck. Odeline took it. Shatan gets it. Nieuwendyk fires it. The door is shut by Defoe.
If he can see it, he can stop it.
Shatan. Nieuwendyk grabs the puck. Schaefer corrals it. Shoots! Denied by Defoe. Ward. Nylander grabs the puck. Smolinski got it. Tunge with a chance to score. Shoots the puck. Defoe made the huge save.
My name is Tender, goaltender, licensed to make big saves.
Knuble, he grabs the puck. Ward gets checked.
He crushed him like some kind of mystical crushing machine from medieval times? Oh man, I need a better writer.
Tunge, oh, he missed. Fires! Girard gets in the way. Chelios runs over Knuble. Tunge. Shatan. One-timer. Defoe denies him.
The key to making saves is timing.
Wilm. Joseph closes the door. He came up with a puck.
Which is way better than a rabbit.
He scores!
Puts it away upstairs with the Christmas decorations.
Detroit breaks the stalemate with the game's first goal.
If at first you don't succeed... Oh, wait, they did succeed.
Shatan. Nieuwendyk now has the puck. Boston grabbed it. LaPointe fires it hard. He scores! With time running down in the first, we have a tie game.
And this has to be a little less than satisfactory for them.
Kovalenko scoops up the loose puck. Kulttunen grabbed it.
20 minutes does not a 60-minute game make. Sometimes even I wonder where I come up with this stuff. Welcome back to the game that makes me get all jittery and numb. Let's see what's shaking.
Straka gets hold of the puck. Samsonov, big hit, saved by Joseph.
The shot was rejected like an old girlfriend.
Lemieux, it's one-on-one. Samsonov got the puck. Samsonov, he gets flattened. Joseph made the save. Lemieux gets the puck. He scores!
The sky's the limit on goals. Well, actually, it's the top of the net, right where he put the puck.
They moved ahead by one.
Yes, Jim, a classic case of one-upmanship.
Zaminer. Kovalenko grabs the puck.
68,
Solani. Yzerman gets it. Shoots hard. Scores!
Goalie goes one way, puck goes the other way, but any way you look at it, that was a beauty.
Detroit will now enjoy the fruits of a 2-goal second period lead.
Wow, you're really going out on a limb there, Jim. You get it? Fruit? Limb? Is this thing on?
Chelios. He scores! Top shelf!
If he keeps putting them upstairs like that, he'll be a candidate for the Golden Escalator Award.
Detroit goal, scored by number
Kovalenko
66.
corrals the puck. Zaminer takes it.
Assisted by number
Fires it! He scores!
That goal will spawn its own line of action figures, t-shirts, and various other paraphernalia.
Boston has really come on.
They were so far out of the game, their GM was organizing a search party, but they're back in contention.
Lemieux. Shanahan, shot, scores!
There's a goal that'll turn more heads than an alligator on a leash.
Boston needs to get to work and quit playing around out there.
Well, I'm sure they weren't expecting a day at the beach, Jim, and if they were, they sure aren't rested.
Timonen.
And by number 66.
Newendijk. Detroit has a teammate in a not-so-good situation.
This could be a potentially serious injury, but I really hope not.
Bad luck. I don't think we're going to be seeing him anytime soon.
Here's hoping we're wrong, just this once.
Zaminer does a lot more than just slow his man down with this hook.
That most certainly was an obstruction. He hooked him, plain and simple.
Wilm wins the draw. Detroit beats out the icing call. Shoots! Scores!
That shot had the goalie looking like he dropped a contact lens.
Detroit has a lock on this one now.
It's like they've zeroed in on the win, and nothing is going to stop them.
Joseph stoned him cold. Nylander. Shatan grabs the puck. Nylander gets the shot off. Defoe denied him. Lapointe. Straka with the puck. Boston scoops it up. Samsonov. Joseph stones him cold.
Not an unreasonable thing to do in most situations.
Shatan takes possession of the puck. Schaefer returns it. Straka gobbles it up. It's 1-on-1. He scores!
The goalie will tell you what just flew by him was a bullet, not a butterfly.
The Bruins have had enough. They're changing goalies.
I guess it just wasn't his night tonight, Jim. He was letting everything by him.
Detroit is having one of those top-notch games.
In fact, I think they're having 2 or 3 of them rolled into one. Outstanding.
Chelios shoots it. Saved by Shields.
The goalie really understands the concept of positioning.
Lapointe.
Last minute of play in the
Tanguay.
second period.
The breaks are a key part of the game, though generally not highlight material.
10% off with the presentation of your ticket stub.
Well done, it's back to the game, and it's been a lopsided one at that.
Let's see if this trouncing continues, or if there's a dramatic turnaround.
Or things could just level off.
Boring.
Yager. Lemieux shoots the puck. Boston picks it up. He bowls over Lemieux.
And you thought crashing thunder only happened outdoors.
Yager steals the puck. Lemieux got it. Shanahan now with it. Misses. Zaminer jumps on the loose puck. He gets out-muscled.
If you believe the cartoons, he must have eaten a can of spinach before that one.
Detroit gets called on a 2-line pass. Hossa gets hold of the puck. Yager. It's 1-on-1. Lemieux shoots. Yager takes control of the puck. Shanahan grabs it. Hard shot from the left. Muller. Shoots the puck. Cesar scores upstairs.
After a goal like that, a guy could retire happy.
Detroit just showed a chink in its armor.
And they were looking indestructible.
No lead is safe. They have to remember that. Shields, great save.
He has the opposing players shaking their heads out there.
Samsonov. Lemieux takes possession of the puck. McLaren gets checked.
He came, he saw, he crunched him good.
Lemieux. Brewer gets hold of the puck. Solani shot the puck, missed the net. Lidstrom. Iserman gets checked. Sweeney grabs the puck. Straka has it. Samsonov gets it. Slaps it. Joseph makes the save.
That there's some quality goaltending there, Jimbo.
Fedotenko. Solani. Shields made the save.
Maybe the shooter zigged when he should have zagged.
Hossa. He takes possession of the puck. Brewer. Lidstrom. Boston puts its second line out. Tunge shoots it hard. He flattens Tunge. Brewer shoots the puck. Boston with it now.
Last minute of play in
Nylander,
the third period.
Zaminer in control now. Taken out.
He's got that player seeing more stars than Carl Sagan.
Lemieux. Shields gets the stick on it.
What, and we're just supposed to take your word for it?
Zaminer has the puck mowed down.
Kajaka! That hit was spectacular! Euler.
Wilm with a wrist shot. Joseph closed the door.
And why not? It's his favorite thing to do.
Shanahan has the puck. Lemieux grabbed it. Lemieux cranks it. Shields made the save. Wilm shoots the puck. Iserman shoots it from the right. Sweeney. That's it. This game is over. The Red Wings are the undisputed Stanley Cup champs.